The Agile model is a flexible and iterative approach to software development that prioritizes collaboration, customer feedback, and the delivery of working software in short increments. Agile methodologies aim to adapt to changing requirements and deliver value to customers quickly. Here are the key characteristics and principles of the Agile model. Iterative and incremental development. Agile development divides the project into small, manageable iterations or increments, typically called sprints and Scrum or cycles in other Agile methodologies. During each iteration, a potentially shippable product increment is produced, allowing for continuous improvements and the ability to respond to changing requirements. This model is customer-centric. Cross-functional teams participate in the process. Due to adaptive planning, project plans and priorities are adjusted based on feedback and changing circumstances. Agile measures progress by the delivery of working, potentially shippable increments of the software. This contrasts with traditional models that measures progress by completing phases or tasks. It welcomes changes in requirements, even late in the development process, and adapts accordingly. Frequent testing and quality assurance. Agile practices include continuous testing and quality assurance throughout the development process. Test-driven development, TDD, and automated testing are often used to ensure the software's reliability. Agile methodologies encourage regular inspections and reviews of the product and the development process. Sprint reviews and retrospectives are common practices to assess progress and make improvements. Agile teams maintain transparency by making project information, progress, and impediments visible to all team members. Information radiators, such as task boards or burn-down charts, are used to communicate status. Popular Agile methodologies include Scrum, a framework that divides work into time-boxed iterations called sprints and employs roles like Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. Kanban, a method focused on visualizing work on a Kanban board and optimizing the flow of tasks through different stages. There are two more: Extreme Programming, XP, and Lean Software Development, which are rarely used. Agile is widely used in the software industry and beyond, with applications in project management, product development, and various other fields where flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction are paramount. It is particularly well suited for projects with changing or evolving requirements, and for teams that value adaptability and responsiveness. Advantages of Agile: flexibility and adaptability. Agile methodologies allow for changes in requirements, priorities, and features throughout the development process, making it well suited for projects with evolving or uncertain needs. Customer-centric. Agile places a strong emphasis on customer collaboration and feedback, ensuring that the delivered product aligns with customer expectations and provides value. Faster delivery of value. Agile teams deliver working software in short iterations, providing tangible results quickly and allowing customers to realize value sooner. Improve quality. Continuous testing, quality assurance, and feedback loops in Agile help identify and address issues early in the development process, leading to higher quality software. Enhance transparency. Agile practices often involve visibility into project status, progress, and potential roadblocks, promoting transparency among team members and stakeholders. Higher team morale. Agile empowers teams to make decisions and collaborate effectively, which can boost team morale and motivation. Risk mitigation. Agile's incremental and iterative approach allows teams to address risks and issues incrementally, reducing the likelihood of catastrophic project failure. Stakeholder engagement. Regular interactions with stakeholders keep them engaged and informed, reducing misunderstandings and miscommunications. Continuous improvement. Agile promotes regular retrospectives where teams reflect on their processes and make adjustments for ongoing improvement. Disadvantages of Agile model. Lack of predictability. Agile's adaptability can make it challenging to provide accurate estimates and predict when specific features will be delivered, which can be a drawback for projects with fixed deadlines. Complexity of scaling. Scaling Agile to large projects or organizations can be complex and may require additional frameworks like SAFe, Scaled Agile Framework, or less, large-scale Scrum. Resource-intensive. Agile methodologies often require active participation from team members, product owners, and stakeholders, which can be resource-intensive. Requires skilled teams. Agile teams need to be skilled in Agile practices and effective collaboration, and not all teams may have the necessary experience. Documentation challenges. Agile prioritizes working software over comprehensive documentation, which may pose challenges in highly regulated industries where extensive documentation is required. Scope creep risk. The flexibility of Agile can lead to scope creep if changes are not well managed, or if there is a lack of discipline in setting priorities. Dependency management. In complex projects with dependencies between teams or components, Agile may require careful coordination and can be challenging to implement. Resistance to change. Some stakeholders or team members may resist the cultural and process changes associated with Agile, which can hinder successful adoption. It's important to note that the advantages and disadvantages of Agile can vary depending on the specific Agile methodology being used, e.g., Scrum, Kanban, XP, and the context in which it is applied. Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and organizations should carefully consider their project requirements, team dynamics, and customer needs when deciding whether to adopt Agile practices. That's all for this session. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.